Part of the challenge for us at UCD, at University College Dublin, has been to convert our existing undergraduate bachelor programmes into an online mode of delivery, if you like. I suppose the key issue for us has been designing the programme in such a way that it's exactly the same as our existing on-ground programmes. From the perspective of a student, the kind of programme and the quality of the student experience mirrors or is exactly the same as our on-ground programme. So from the perspective of the content of the programme, the students take the exact same subjects as our on-campus, our on-ground students would do. So what you might expect in a classroom setting perhaps could involve discussion, group discussion with your peers in the classroom. In an online setting, the discussion takes place in exactly the same way. You're not face-to-face, clearly, but you're discussing course content, key topics, key contemporary business topics and so on in an online setting. So you're learning from each other in much the same way as you would do in an on-campus setting.
We've been teaching this on-ground program here in Singapore and in Hong Kong for 20 years. And over that period, the program has been exactly the same as delivered back home on the UCD campus. Now we're taking it to a different level, to the online, and we would continue with the same principle, and that is that all programs must be exactly the same regulations, same curriculum content, same standards, same materials, and that's, I don't think it's so much a challenge, we just have to implement that to make that work. But I think there's also an element maybe that we're introducing that is perhaps not available with other online programs, and that is to say that we are happy to provide an element of face-to-face experience, optional on the part of the student. In other words, where we will provide a resource where a lecturer will be on site in Singapore and Hong Kong for those students who want to walk in and have a conversation, or indeed an organised seminar. It's an additional element, because I'm sure there are some students who want more than just the online. They want to have that face-to-face, even if it's only once or twice or whatever. So we think that's going to be an added benefit.